To smart living. Today we are showing you 5 amazing kitchen gadgets designed to save your time and effort. Let's dive in. Make snacking effortless with this child assist electric melon seed peeling machine. This smart household tool automatically shells sunflower seeds in seconds, protecting your teeth and making it safe for kids to enjoy. It features a high-torque motor and sensitive switch for quick shelling without damaging the kernel. It's the perfect kitchen companion for healthy, mess-free snacking every day. Never wait hours for dinner again. This multifunctional food thaw machine uses advanced technology to safely and quickly unfreeze steak and meat. It's convenient, hygienic, and keeps your food fresh while saving you precious time in the kitchen. Organize your countertop like a pro with this 360-degree rotating spice rack. This sleek revolving organizer features 6 high-quality glass jars with airtight steel lids to keep your spices fresh and flavorful. The smooth rotation allows you to find exactly what you need in an instant, saving space and reducing clutter in your kitchen. Whether it's salt, pepper, or exotic herbs, this durable rack keeps everything within reach while adding a modern touch to your home. It's the ultimate solution for a tidy and efficient cooking space. Level up your burger game with this stainless steel butter wheel. Designed for even spreading, this melted butter dispenser allows you to roll your buns and bread for a perfect, golden finish every time. It's the ultimate American burger tool for home chefs who want professional, delicious results with zero effort. Take total control of your meal prep with this manual hand crank food chopper. Specifically designed for chili, green onions, coriander, and garlic, this efficient kitchen tool features ultra-sharp blades and a smooth hand crank design that lets you choose your desired texture. Unlike electric blenders that can overprocess, this manual chopper gives you the perfect consistency for salsas, garnishes, and marinades. It's lightweight, portable, and incredibly easy to clean, making it a must-have for every busy kitchen. Stop struggling with knives and start chopping like a pro with this durable and reliable tool that requires no electricity at all. Upgrade your kitchen experience today. Click the links in our bio to shop these smart finds. For more smart home updates, follow and subscribe for more.